Imagine turning $0 into an online income stream. Sounds impossible? Stick around, and I'll unveil how you can be the next online hero without a single cent to start. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of online earnings. And here's the kicker. You won't need a single dime to get started. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned online navigator, there's something invaluable for everyone. So if you've ever dreamt of financial freedom, stay with me until the very end. You're about to discover some true gems that can turn you from zero to an online hero. Let's get into it. Imagine earning money in the comfort of your own home. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. The internet has made it possible for anyone to start earning money, regardless of their financial background. Have you ever heard of freelancing? It's a great way to start earning money online. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer offer numerous job opportunities. From writing to graphic design, there's something for everyone. Now, if you're a wordsmith, consider blogging. Websites like Blogger and WordPress allow you to start your own blog for free. You can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or even by selling your own products. Affiliate marketing is another great option. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Websites like Amazon and ClickBank have profitable affiliate programs you can join for free. If you're into arts and crafts, consider selling your handmade products on Etsy. It's free to open a shop, you only pay a small fee when you list an item. It's a fantastic platform to showcase your talent and earn money. Online tutoring is another great way to earn money without capital. If you're good at a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring service. Websites like Chegg and Tutor.com are great places to start. Finding value in this? Don't miss out on the journey. Subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click that bell. Together, there's more to explore. Let's jump right back in. If you love to type, consider transcription services. Websites like Rev and TranscribeMe pay you to transcribe audio files into text. It's a simple task that requires no capital, just a good set of ears and fast typing skills. Do you have a knack for taking amazing photos? Sell them online. Websites like Shutterstock and Getty Images allow you to sell your photos and earn royalties. It's a great way to monetize your hobby. Lastly, if you're good at social media, consider becoming a social media manager. Small businesses are always looking for ways to boost their online presence, and they're willing to pay for it. Remember, the key to earning money online is consistency and patience. It might take time to build an online presence and start earning, but once you do, it's definitely worth it. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities. It's up to you to seize them. So get out there and start earning money from the comfort of your own home. Trust me, you won't regret it. Still with me? You're in for a treat. Delve deep into a free ebook and decode the secrets of the ultimate online business poised for launch today. But the excitement doesn't plateau there. Beyond this literary gem, an adrenaline-packed 15-day challenge lies in wait, meticulously designed for this digital odyssey. Journey with top-notch coaching, unparalleled insights, and an armory of tools poised to skyrocket your online endeavors. Feeling that allure? Don't dawdle. Strike the link in the description without delay and carve your path to e-business supremacy. As this chapter comes to a close, I'm on the edge of my seat for your reactions. Took a spin with the method I showcased, weighing its worth? Let your voice echo in the comments. And if a question is drumming in your head, bang the drum. I'm tuned in and ready to chime in. Your resonance fuels our next tune. Felt the rhythm of today's beat? Amplify that like button to max volume. Craving more of these digital symphonies? Strike a chord with subscribe and let the bell set the tempo. Be the maestro of every encore. Before you exit stage left, see that video under the spotlight? It promises another melody that'll have you dancing. Step into the groove and let's orchestrate brilliance together. Until our next performance.